Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Close any open Ledger Live apps and third-party applications on your desktop or phone so the device is not actively communicating. Check the battery level on the Ledger Nano X screen and confirm it has at least 5% charge to complete a normal shutdown. If you prefer the device to be fully offline, open settings and disable Bluetooth. Make sure you know your PIN and have your recovery phrase stored safely. Powering off does not affect stored keys, but you may need the PIN to restart. Press and hold both physical buttons on the Ledger Nano X for 3 seconds until the power menu appears on screen. Use the left and right buttons together to navigate if needed. Then, when the screen displays power off, press both buttons simultaneously again to confirm. The device will begin its shutdown sequence. Wait patiently without releasing too quickly. The screen will go blank and the LED indicators will stop. That blank screen is the definitive sign the device is fully powered off and safe to store or transport. Confirm the Ledger Nano X is off by ensuring the screen is blank and no LEDs are lit. If it is off, store it in a safe, dry place. To restart the device, press and hold both hardware buttons until the Ledger logo appears, then release and enter your PIN to regain access. If the device becomes unresponsive during shutdown or startup, hold both buttons for 15 seconds to force a reboot and retry the normal power sequence. After successful restart, verify battery level and reopen Ledger Live or individual apps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.